This is the Cygolite 200 lumen Hotshot Pro USB rechargeable bicycle tail light. And Cygolite tail lights are my favorite because I had a combo unit which I bought and reviewed 2 years ago, which is the Cygolite Metro 800 plus the Hotshot Pro 150 lumens. So the other light actually had just recently more functions. So I actually sent that light back for service, and they told me to repair it is going to cost about $6, which I think is well worth it. But in the meantime, I actually bought another one because I have multiple bicycles. So I'm going to actually just use this one for now. And once the other one gets fixed and returned to me, I will be mounting that light to a different bicycle, and gonna mainly use a 200 for my daily night and morning commuting. As I did my review previously, so I'm not gonna go into crazy detail about the light. The only difference is this 200 is just slightly brighter. So the 150 is already super bright, okay, in the nighttime. But in the daytime, the 200 is going to be slightly more visible. If you ride in the daytime, in the daylight, the 200 is going to be slightly more visible, okay? And the projection of the beam is actually really far away from directly behind. And it kind of projects some additional light on the side. It's just not as bright with the projection of the side lighting. Now, I think the Cygolite actually came out with a upgraded version, which I think they call something Pro, Hot Rod Pro, which actually features two beams, one for the wide angle and one for the concentrated beam, which is the beam over here that's featured on the Hotshot. The other one, if you want side visibility, the other one might be a better choice. However, the other one is about $10 more expensive, okay? This one I bought on eBay for about $32. It usually retails for about $39. If you can find a good deal, that's great. If not, $39 is money well spent to ensure your safety during night riding, okay? So the features of this light, just gonna again quickly go through. It's got 6 different light modes. It's got steady, it's got a zoom, a triple flash, a random flash, and a steady pulse. The steady pulse is like a steady beam that also lights up and pulsating with a different brightness beam. So I actually use the steady pulse a lot on the Metro 800 headlight, because that's the most useful light beam that I use at the night. So when I ride on the trails and there are people around, that really pulsating beam really helps identify, to let other people in front of you know that you are actually passing through them. I'll actually just quickly show you guys a couple of the beams. Hopefully this light is pre-charged. So if I turn it on, so it's got 2 buttons, okay? One is a power button. One actually adjusts the pulsating quickness. So this light, actually all different modes are fully adjustable, okay? So as it mentioned over here. Oh my God, it's blindingly bright, super bright, okay? Again, they said do not directly look into the light because that is really blinding light, super bright. So so this is I guess just regular flashing mode, I think. Yes, and if I press this button to adjust the, as you can see, the tempo is fully adjustable. You can make it go really fast, and you can make it go really slow by just pressing that tempo adjust button on the right side. So I'm going to switch to a different mode. I don't know how do you call those modes, but you got this mode, which I think it's a random burst. Let's go into a different mode. This one is constantly on. Super bright, okay? Of course, for the constantly on, there's no tempo adjustment. And this is the zoom mode, which is kind of like a breathing effect. You can have it breathe like really, really low, really, really slow. Again, by adjusting that tempo, or you can have it breathe like faster, like normal. So I think this kind of works perfectly fine over there. Again, blindingly bright. And I think this is the steady pulse. So it pretty much keeps the light on, and then it gives a short, brighter pulse. And again, you can adjust the tempo fully, which is extremely useful. I haven't seen any other brand of the light that's able to adjust the tempo, like the Cygolite. And this one is, I don't know, random pulse maybe? Or the triple flash. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. This is the triple flash. So it flashes 3 times very quickly. Not even sure it's able to be detected by the camera or not, but that's a triple flash, okay? And anyway, quite a lot of different modes to suit anybody's needs. Again, brightness, there's no doubt this is one super bright light. 200 lumens on a single LED light. Okay, that's just crazy bright. So to turn it off, you're just gonna long press the power button, which is on the left side when you directly looking at the light, as indicated. So the USB charging port is on the bottom. Again, I haven't even took this out of the box yet. Let's actually just take it out and take a quick look, okay? So when you buy the Cygolite Hotshot Pro, it comes in 2 different mounts, okay? I bought the hard mount because I really prefer this mount because it's really stable. And the flexible mount, I actually had another Cygolite with flexible mount. I don't really like the flexible mount as much. I do, however, have a copy of the flexible mount. Again, the flexible mount, the benefit is you are able to switch it from bike to bike. But since I have 2 hard mounts and 2 bikes, I'm just gonna use the hard mount, which permanently mounts the Cygolite onto the seat post, okay? So it only comes with a round mount. So if your bike is like an aerial bike, you're gonna have a hard time mounting using the hard mount, which I would suggest then go with the flexible mount because with the flexible mount, it doesn't matter of the shape of the seat post. So if you have a weird shape on your seat post, get the flexible mount. If you want a permanent mount, get the hard mount. The hard mount comes with those bars and the angle is fully adjustable. It also comes with like a kind of extender, or this is for like a thinner, like for mounting on your the seat stay. So instead of mounting on the seat post, you can mount it on one of the seat stays if that seat stay is round. Again, I'm just gonna mount it on my bike seat post directly. It also comes with a USB charging cable. This is a micro USB cable. And of course, you can charge the light with any micro USB cable. You don't necessarily have to use the one provided, but it's nice that they provided a cable for you to charge the light. The light comes with 1-year warranty. During the warranty period, if the light is broken, you send this back to Cygolite. They're gonna fix it free of charge. However, you have to pay the shipping to get the light over to them. The return shipping, I think, is free, okay? So, and it indicates a 200 over here. That means this is a 200 lumen light because they also have the 150 with the kit, okay? The light itself, not terribly heavy. It's got a built-in lithium-ion battery in there that you charge by opening up the port down here, okay? So you just charge it like, plug it into any USB port, your USB adapter. It should charge in a couple hours to full, okay? And actually during daily use, I can have this light running for a whole week of probably, I would say 40 minutes of commute daily before I need to charge it again. And it's still probably got some juice left, but just to be safe, I charge it every week. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, also check out my review of the combo kit from the Hotshot Pro 150 and the Metro 800 headlight from the Cygolite. Both of those are excellent options for very safe night commuting or even daylight commuting for you. Okay, so thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.